Really good day here. Got my package from Shane at Newcastle Coins. He just happened to have a couple of these on his site when I checked, because they were sold out at the mint straight away. And anyway, I got one per person. Beautiful, can't complain. And it's the 2022 50-cent piece. It's the Australian steam train series, steam powered series. And the first one was released November the 4th, and it was the Queensland Rail A10 No.6. And it's first in the series of 7 coins. They're going to release 2 lots of 3 coins for the next 6. And there'll be 3 in January next year, 2022. And the last 3 will be March 2022. They only made 20,000 of these and they sold out straight away. The cards, just with the coin, were $15 and the card in folder were $20. As of today, they're selling $59 for the carded coin and $75 for the folder and coin set. So pretty good already, and only going to go up even more. So I'm going to open up. I haven't opened it up. I've been waiting since yesterday. I've got this Friday, today's Saturday. So I had to finish off another video that's up now, the noodle. So anyway, we'll open it up and we'll see what it looks like in the flesh, as to say. Oh, and plus, I got $7.50 back in stamps here. I know you're not supposed to use them again, but anyway, they haven't been stamped. $7.50's worth. Just put a label on there, and it's label on the back, and it's all good to go. Reuse it. I'm into recycling. If you buy off me on eBay, it's recycling. I don't throw anything away. I don't see any need to buy any packaging or anything, except for envelopes. But yeah, I encourage recycle everything. You can use, if you sell a lot of things on eBay and different things, you need good packaging. Anyhow, back to this one. So we'll open her up. I'll put on my gloves in a minute. I don't like wearing them, but I suppose I better. Seems to be the right thing to do. Or will I? Let's do a poll right now. I'll vote no. Anyhow, so what we've got is nicely wrapped. Yeah, so anyway, 2022 7 coin collection. It's got the mint details on there. Steam power, Australian rail heritage. Well, there's the first one right there. I'll get back to that so we can see it better. Just have a quick look. These are all the other trains that are going to be coming out, all the names of them. I'll do closer up for this, so you can see them all. Really nice. So no problems there. Got a bit of Steam's Goodbye. It's when it got canned, eh? Gathering steam, so it's got some stories there. And yeah, nice folder. I saw somebody just selling this folder on eBay for $70. Seriously, just the folder. And for $5 more, you could have one with a coin in it. But yeah, crazy. And then another guy I saw, the highest price was $120 for the folder and the coin. So they're really taken off in price. Now I'll bring that a little bit closer now. Okay, so that's a little bit closer, just to show you the card. And I'll do some close-ups of the pages on the folder so you can read them, and I'll do closer of this, of course. So yeah, lovely coin, beautifully made. Yeah, it's been struck really well. A lovely coin, beautiful colours, I like the old steam trains. Really nicely done. Really good series too, doing all the trains, because there's a lot of train enthusiasts in Australia, millions, as well as millions of coin collectors. So everybody on those two fronts will want this coin. Well, maybe not everybody, but you got two lots coming in for this one coin. They only made 20,000. Yeah, that's why they're going really, really high in price already. Yeah, all the colours through there. I gather that looks like it's donating the Aboriginal colours there of the flag. I'm not sure, I have to look up what the this is, but that might be carriages, like, you know, sideways. And then this is like the sky, sun, maybe that's what it's supposed to be. But either way, it looks excellent. It's a really nice coin, and now already rare at 20,000 and sold out immediately. Beautiful. Yeah, really like that. We'll see if it comes out now. I'm pretty sure it should. They put it in there. Yeah, it does. Okay, I'll turn this over. That's it turned over, and yes, that is so well struck. Beautiful. Well struck, but clean planchet. Very high rated coin if you got that graded. Seriously, I'd be banking on 68 plus. You know, it's extremely high. One of the best mini coins I've seen. As they all should be. They all should be MS70s, but anyway. I'm pretty sure it's a dodecahedron, which is a 12-sided. I just got two 2022 Tiger 50-cent pieces in the PNCs from the post office. They were $40. They only making 888 of them. I grabbed two of them. That's low. Extremely low. And lucky number too, 888. All numbered. And that's a 14-sided 50-cent piece. And I think that's a tetradecagon or tetragon. I should look them up so I can tell you properly, sound professional, but anyway. They look really nice, those coins. You can buy them separate too. I think it's $10 or $12.50. Lovely looking tiger on there. And 14-sided, so that's a rare coin too. I don't think we got any other 14-sided 50-cent pieces at all. I'd have to have a look. So this is a 50-cent piece, copper nickel, which is 25% nickel, 75% copper, 31.5 mil, uncirculated finish, 20,000 only. Designed by A10. And there it is, Queensland Rail A10 No.6. Very nice. Yep. Anyway, we'll get up closer on this one. That's closer again. I hope my lighting's okay. I've got so many lights going on here, I'll tell you. I really have. I've got a massive spotty over there. I've got some ring thing here that for selfies my daughter's bought me. I've got some other tall thing next to me here. So I'm trying to do it all. I'm doing it all manually on the camera. The set, you know, the ISO and the shutter speeds and the f-stop. And anyway, we'll see if it's okay when it gets edited. That's a lovely looking coin anyway. In silver. I don't know if they brought these out in silver. I didn't even look. But this would be brilliant in silver, even spectacular in gold. Oof. But yeah, lovely. Love the steam trains. Love those old trains. Yeah, really nice. And the background, it's like it's coming really fast at you. And that looks like a side on of the carriages. And then this looks like the sunset background. Beautiful. Yeah, love it. And the other side, that other side is like, you know, that's the 69, 70s on that. And this side, 68, 70, there's just that tiny blemish that's on there, just here. And, well, it is a mint in, what, if it did get graded, they class that as a mint in, part of the minting process, they would class that. And they could overlook it. They do have what some cleaning service they do. They don't call it cleaning. It's something that they can do to get off minor spots and stuff. but they might not use it because of the paint. But very high grade coin. Get that graded, poof, it'll shoot up in price like crazy. Very nice, really, really nice. So I'll flip it over, have a look at the Queen's head there. I hope that shows up on the camera just how well that side is. It really, really is spectacular. Such a clean planchet, and it's been struck really well. So, you know, the first coins out of the new dies are always struck the best. That's so when you get things graded, if you can tell them that you got it done in the very first week of release, they'll put that on the grading. And that usually means that it's a better struck coin because fresh, brand new dies. So that's lovely anyway. Really high grade coin. No worries about that at all. So I'll show it up closer again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching that. That was really good, opening that. I haven't done, well, I've only done one other one of opening the packages, but I've got some more coming from the post office and the mint. Got my ambulance C mint mark coins to come, 2 2022 lunar year PNCs with the 14-sided 50-cent piece and the tiger on it, and 2 Wiggles PNCs. They only made 2,500 of them. They're a special PNC. I see the Wiggles PNCs are out. One 30-cent piece to an envelope, so there's 2 PNCs for both the 30-cent scallop coins, but the one I got, both coins are in the PNC as one, and it's a car, and it's got a chip, and it sounds, the car moves, and only 2,500 are numbered. I'll be going that one. You can check them out at the post office, they got them. Very nice, like the colours, like the design, can't wait to see what the other ones are, and collect them and fill that folder up. Till my next video, thanks for watching again, and bye bye.